Hi everyone and welcome back to Northwestern Models TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make up the O-gauge Skytrex kit for these lovely wheelbarrows. So let's get started. So with the Skytrex packs, it's a case of break in as normal. If you get all the parts out of the bag first, it makes life a lot easier. Now this is going to be one of their more simple kits to put together, given that there is literally two components to the kit. So in each kit you get the finished photograph picture of what it should look like to give you an idea of how it sort of goes together. So in this particular kit we've got two wheelbarrow bases. Now these are made in resin, so they're resin cast, so we're going to need to clean them up first. And we then have a pair of wheelbarrow wheels, which I'm hoping you can see there. And again, these are made in white metal, and again we'll need a bit of cleaning up. So to clean them up, I'll just make one of these for the video, just to speed things up a bit. All I'm going to use is a craft knife, and we're just going to run the craft knife along the edges very carefully, just to remove the excess flash that's on there. You'll be able to see which bits they are against the moulding lines, because all that is basically is where extra bits of resin have come through the two-part mould, and it just needs to be tidied up, so that we can actually put it together a lot better. So it's, it doesn't take particularly long, and you just be a little bit careful around where the wheel is going to be glued in at the front there. I think I may have just snapped an edge off, but it should be okay. That's pretty good. And then just in the handle area. Again, if you do find it is a little bit thick, just work it very carefully. Take your time with it. You don't need to panic and rush to do this. Just work your way with it and nibble it down out of the way. And once you've pretty much got the worst of it out, you can then, if you've got some needle files, will be quite useful. And I'll get them out of my collection. So I'm going to have a flat one, and if we can find the round one, there's the round one. And I'm going to have a round one. Now I'm going to use the round one to do these little bits here. And it's a very gentle movement, so you don't need to go mad with it. So all you're doing is just trying to remove that last bit of flash moulding on there, just to tidy it up a bit nicer. And use the flat one for the other areas. And again, you don't need to press hard, just enough to work it down where it's needed, and just to, like I say, get in the corners and just tidy it up really nice. That's pretty good. And of course the good thing about these is that because you'll paint these afterwards, the paint can hide a lot of little bits and pieces that you might not want on there. That looks pretty good to me. So, right, I'll call that bit done. And then for the wheel, we'll just take the excess bits of white metal off the ends. Again, that's just like the where the parts that are moulding come in together. Just need a little bit of help just to finish off little bits and pieces on them. Additionally, by giving it a clean with a file means that when we come to glue this to the resin body, the glue has something to actually grip on a little bit as well. And because it's a multimedia kit, i.e. it's not all made from the same material, so we've got, like I say, we've got the resin and the white metal in here, we will have to use a glue to put it together. That's pretty reasonable. So, glue that we're going to use is the Deluxe Materials Rocket Rapid Glue. This is my bottle, which is quite old now, but still enough in there to do the job we need it to do today. And all I'm probably going to do is where the wheel drops in, I'm just going to put a blob of glue in. There we go. From the inside, on both sides of it. This off, and then quite simply drop the wheel into place. It might need a bit of a helping hand to get fully home, but hopefully you can see there it's now in, and that basically is it. Nice and simple, job done. So there we are, that's how to very quickly put together the Skytrex O-gauge wheelbarrows, and it's a brilliantly simple little kit, and you know, it, as you saw, it did not take me long to do at all. Now obviously there's all sorts of different scenes that you could put this into. Obviously a gardening scene would be quite good, but anywhere that you could think where you'd normally use a wheelbarrow is a kind of place that you could use it. So it could be perhaps for the P-way guys for moving the tools or bits of ballast or so on. You know, it could be the loco shed for moving ash out of the inspection pits, and you know, there's all sorts of different things. Obviously, like I said, allotments and gardens and things like that. So there's a good bit of variety that you can use to use this model for. Now, for painting, before you paint it, because it's a resin cast, it's probably going to be worthwhile you giving it a quick wash first to get any release agents out of it. But then, you know, any sort of paint should do to use it, be it acrylic or whatever your preferred method is, you can use it for that. So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button, because we've got plenty of other how-to videos and lots of other information heading your way very, very soon. So until next time, happy modelling.